Welcome student in first session from your textbook chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life, cell. This chapter is related to biology. In this chapter we studied about the cell, what is the living being made up of. Earth is inhabited by different kinds of living organism who looks very different from each other. Okay, means there is a different kinds of living organism are there on earth and they look very different from each other. So these living organisms are archaebacteria, eubacteria, protista, fungi, plants and animal. So the bodies of living organisms are made up of microscopic units called cell. Okay, the bodies of living organism means all the living organism. Okay, that body is made up of that microscopic unit that is called the cell, means smallest unit of the body, that is called the cell. So the cell has same central positions in biology as an atom in the physical science. So the cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organisms. Okay, means जितने भी living organisms है तो उनकी basic structural और functional unit वो क्या है, cell है. Okay, so many organisms such as bacteria, protozoa and yeast consist of single cells. Okay, that are called unicellular organisms. Okay, that are capable of independent self-replication, and more complex organisms called that multicellular organisms are composed of collection of cell, okay, that function in coordinate manner. So with different cells specialized to perform the particular task. Okay, means unicellular में single cell रहती है और that multicellular में there is a means complex structure. इस इनका एक structure कैसा single cell रहती है और इसका simple structure रहता है. Okay, and that multicellular complex structure are there. Okay, and different cells is specialized to perform the particular task, or the specialized cells perform the particular task. Clear? All cells, whether they exist as one celled organism, means that unicellular organisms, or as a part of multicellular organism, are capable of carrying our certain basic functions such as nutrition, respiration, growth and reproduction. These functions are essential for the survival of cells. Okay, cell single cell ho ya multicellular, but they perform all the vital activities. Okay, that is the basic function: nutrition, respiration, growth and reproductions. Okay, for their survival of life. While studying a thin slice of cork, Robert Hooke saw the cork resemble the structure of honeycomb consisting of many little compartments. Means जैसे honeycomb का means कैसे बहुत सारे means compartment दिखते हैं, तो same like that slice of cork में Robert Hooke, that is the name of that scientist, studying that little compartment, okay, in the cork. So cork is a substance which is obtained from the bark of tree. Okay, so this was in the year 1665 when Hooke made this chance discovery through a self-designed microscope. Okay, means उन्होंने अपना self-designed microscope के through slice of cork में little compartment देखे थे, just like a honeycomb. Okay, so Robert Hooke called these boxes, और जो छोटे छोटे जो box थे, so that box Robert Hooke given the name cells. Okay, cell in Latin means little room. Okay, so Robert Hooke given that name cells. So discovery of cell, it was discovered by Robert Hooke in thin slice of cork in 1665. Now that microscope, okay, microscope क्या होता है? It magnifying the things, मतलब जो small things है उसको enlarge करके देख सकते. Okay, जो small things है उसको enlarge और bigger way में आप देख सकते हो. It was discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. It is an instrument that is used to magnifying things, means things को magnified और enlarge करके आप देख सकते हो. Okay, that is called the microscope. Next topic is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So cellular organisms are again following two main types: prokaryotes and eukaryotes. First, about the prokaryotes. Okay, so these organisms have primitive and incomplete cells. Okay, these organisms have primitive and incomplete cells, thus they contain prokaryotic cells. मतलब इसमें कौन सी cells होती? Prokaryotic cell in their body structure. So prokaryotic cells have all three basic structure of a typical cell, but lack nucleus membrane around their genetic substance DNA. Means all three, means prokaryotic cells have all three basic structure, means उसमें तीनों basic structure present रहेंगे. Okay, but a typical cell but lack nuclear membranous. Okay, means nuclear के around उसमें membrane नहीं होती. Now eukaryotes. Okay, so these have advanced and complete cells. These have advanced and complete cells. So these cells contain membrane bound nuclei. means उसमें जो nucleus रहते हैं उसके nucleus के surrounding membrane होती है. Okay, and other cellular organelles are called eukaryotic cells. मतलब other cell organelles भी present रहते हैं और membrane, nuclear membrane भी present रहती है around the nucleus. So type of organism is called the eukaryotic cells. Okay, such cells are found in unicellular and multicellular or plants and animals and contain plasma membrane, nucleus, DNA and cytoplasm with ribosome and cellular organelles such as mitochondria. Okay, now difference between prokaryote and eukaryote. So prokaryotic cell, size of a cell is generally small. Okay, in prokaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, size of cell is generally large. Okay, in that prokaryotic cell, nucleus is absent, nuclear region or nucleoid is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane. But in that eukaryotic cell, nucleus is present or nuclear material is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Okay, so in prokaryotic cell, it contains single chromosome, but in eukaryotic, it contains more than one chromosomes. Okay. Fourth point, in prokaryotic, nucleolus is absent. In that eukaryotic cell, nucleolus is present. So membrane bound cell organelles are absent in that prokaryotic cell, and that eukaryotic cell membrane bound cell organelles such as mitochondria, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, okay, perioxosome, etc. are present. Okay, means जितने भी organelles इसमें present रहते हैं उनके सब में membrane bound रहती है. Okay, so now cell shape. Okay, the basic shape of eukaryotic cell is spherical, but the shape of cell is ultimately determined by the specific function of the cell. Means generally spherical shape रहता है cell का, but different or means special structure, special shape is determined by their specific function. Means जैसे वो perform करते function, according to that shape is there. Okay, so thus the shape of the cell may be variable, means frequently changing its shape, और fixed, मतलब कि fixed भी रहता है और variable means changeable भी होता है. Okay, the shape of the cell may be variable or fixed depend upon the function it perform. और ये shape जो है वो किस पे depend करता है, जो function जिस type का वो task perform कर रहे तो उन shape depend रहता है. Okay, means shape of the cell depend means which kind of function they perform. Okay, now variable shape, variable or irregular shape occurs in amoeba and white blood cells or leukocytes. Okay, means amoeba, you know that amoeba means always changing the shape like that. Now fixed shape in most plants and animal. Okay, means fixed shape of the cell occur in most plants and animals. In unicellular organisms, the shell shape is maintained by tough plasma membrane and exoskeleton. Okay, and in multicellular organism, the shape of cell depends mainly on its functional adaptation. Thus, cells may have diverse shapes such as polyhedral, means with 8, 12 or 14 sides are there, that is called the polyhedral. Okay, and that is spherical. Example, that eggs of many animals, that is a shape, spherical shape. Spindle shape means that is smooth muscles fiber. Okay, and that elongated shape or branch, that is in nerve cells, discodile, erythrocyte or red blood cells. Okay, and so on like that. Now cell size. Okay, size of cells varies. The size of different cells ranges between the broad limits. Some plants and animal cells are visible to the naked eyes. मीन्स कुछ जो है वो आप इजीली अनएडेड आइज से आप देख सकते हो. ओके, एंड मोस्ट सेल्स however are visible only with a microscope, since there are only a few micrometers in diameter. Clear this one? So the size of cells varies from the very small cell bacteria to very large egg of the ostrich. Okay, so example here, smallest cell mycoplasma, okay, and largest cell ostrich egg. And in men, smallest cell RBC, मीन्स सबसे छोटी सेल्स होती है आरबीसी, एंड लार्जेस्ट सेल इज नर्व सेल. क्लियर दिस वन? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सेल नंबर. इन नंबर ऑफ सेल इन मोस्ट मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म इज इंडेफिनाइट. ओके, मीन्स उसमें इंडेफिनाइट नंबर होते हैं. द नंबर ऑफ सेल्स इन मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म यूजुअली इज को रिलेटेड विद द साइज ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. मीन्स मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म में जो नंबर ऑफ सेल इट इज को रिलेटेड विद द साइज ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. मीन्स जितनी बड़ी साइज होंगी उतने उसमें सेल्स नंबर present होंगे. So thus the small sized organism has less number of cells in comparison to large sized organisms. Okay, for example, large sized organisms such as elephant, whale, camel, neem tree or banyan tree have countless number of cells. Okay, and in human beings the number of cells is estimated to be about 100 trillion. Okay, now cell number. Unicellular single cell body that is called that amoeba. Okay, unicellular का example है इसमें amoeba, and in multicellular body that is called man. Clear this one?